In this lecture, we will cover origin and development of statistics. Before starting the statistics, we will try to understand how this statistics has been started, what was its historical influences in history, what was the era when statistics has been recognized as an important aspect of the daily lives. Statistics is an ancient discipline. In whole world, early civilization have used statistics in order to maintain and carry out all their aspects of managing their daily lives, managing their army. Civilizations have used statistics to develop their infrastructure and infrastructural aspects, calculations, arrangement of different things that will help in order to develop their cities, in order to develop their armies, militaries, in order to secure their part, they use statistics. Majorly, administration and military part of ancient civilizations has been managed by statistical tools and the basic statistics. That is why initially statistics is known as science of statecraft. The word statistics has originated from a Latin word status. In ancient time, government used statistics for calculating the population in their region to get the military strength estimations. They used statistics for developing the taxation policies. They have records of properties and wealth of the citizens live in their kingdom. They have found evidence from Egypt that pharaohs has used statistics for pyramid construction. They conducted census to know how many people are living in Egypt, and they used these people in order to construct these historical pyramids. In India, the evidence of statistics have found at many places. Initially, 324 to 300 BC, Chandragupta Maurya's reign originated this statistics part, ruling a kingdom. The Arthashastra of Kautilya is also giving evidence of keeping record of birth, death, land, and wealth during the modern empire time. Lately, during the Akbar's reign, 1556 to 1605 AD, finance minister of Akbar, Todermal, used these statistics to keep land and revenue records. Abul Fazl have written about some statistical surveys in his book Aine Akbari, which was written in 1596-97. Similarly, if we focus toward the Europe in 18th century, during the development of industrial civilization, Germany have used to collect the industrial and agricultural data. During the Napoleonic War, England have a watch on war funding and revenue calculation with the help of statistics. In 16th century, Johannes Kepler used this statistics in order to get some planetary data to give and to make some astronomical calculations. In 17th century, the rise of vital statistics has been shown, where many nations keep the birth and death studies. Captain John Graunt, 1620 to 1674, has considered as a father of vital statistics. Or during that time, there are many other contributors in the statistics like Caspar Newman, William Petty, James Dodson, Thomas Simpson, Dr. Price. These statistics have given birth and have given a motivation of starting first life insurance institution in London in 1698. So there is a very wide history of statistics, and this statistics has been used everywhere. Either it was ancient civilization, medieval period, modern time. The history shows that statistics is used by different people, and there were many scholars who have developed this stream at a wider level at a different aspect. The theory of probability has been developed in 17th century. Initially, it was used in gambling and probability games. Later on, the significance of probability has been recognized by different scholars, and it has been used in statistics at a wider aspect. The key contributors of studying the probability were Blaise Pascal and Pierre the Fermat. They gave the foundation of probability theories. After that, in 1713, Jacob Bernoulli have given the law of large numbers in probability. De Moivre in 1718 gave the concept of normal probability curve. Laplace in 1782 gave some analytical theories of probability, and 1800s least square method and normal law of errors has been developed by Gauss. That 17th century era was focused on the theory of probabilities, which plays very important role lately in the field of statistics. There are many Russian contributors in probability like Chebyshev 1821 to 1890, or termed as the founder of Russian School of Statistics. Markov developed the Markov chain, which is being used in statistics widely. Lyapunov gave the concept of central limit theorem. Kolmogorov have given the axiomatic probability calculus. It has become the very good and very explored branch of mathematics later. Now, from that era, if we come to the modern development of statistics, we have seen in 19th and 20th century, this statistics has been applied in different aspects. There are multiple domains which use statistics in order to do some depth studies. Like statistics has been applied in biology, psychology, economics, social sciences, and many more. Francis Galton gave the concept of regression analysis in biometry. Karl Pearson founded the first statistical laboratory in England. He introduced the concept of correlation analysis and chi-square test. During this modern time, another scholars or researchers, W.S. Gossett, give t-test for the small sample analysis. Sir Ronald A. Fisher have contributed in the field of statistics and the modern statistics a lot, and he has been considered as father of modern statistics. He developed estimation theory, ANOVA, design of experiments. R.A. Fisher is a real giant in the development of theory of statistics. So these are some historical aspects that we termed in this lecture to give the idea that statistics is not a recent discovery. It has been used by ancient civilization, medieval period, and modern period. And the use of statistics is wider in each and every field. Each and every field have something that is quietly related to statistics, and these statistics help to develop different researches, different theories, different concepts, and these concepts has been used everywhere in modern days also. As the technology has been evolved to AI, ML, metaverse, everything has been studied under the domain of statistics. The data has become big data now, and this big data is going to explore a different domain, unimaginable domains, and these domains will become the future of coming generations. Statistics evolved from government administration to scientific discipline. Initially, it was being used by the government in order to administer their areas, their kingdoms, empires, and nowadays it has been used by scientists a lot. Statistics play a crucial role in decision making across research, economics, healthcare, and technology. And major contributor in this area is R.A. Fisher. So now we can say that statistics have evolved from ancient census record to a powerful tool for the data-driven decision making across all fields of life.